Okay, we're here at the section of Module 8, free versus paid traffic section of the Super Affiliate Network review, the Profit Boosting Bootcamp review, Module 8 review, and I'm so happy you're here. And don't forget to be a part of this movement of this bootcamp in 2021. Click on the link below to get started. And when you get started, tell your advisor you're ready to take the boot camp now, because I want to grow my business, make money online in 2021. Yes, I definitely want to do that. Absolutely. So in this review here, you're going to learn what's the difference between free versus paid traffic. And don't forget, my name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video. And if you haven't yet, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more edutainment information that's going to grow your bank account, grow your channel, and grow your business right now. So let's go ahead and dive into this content. Now, you'll discover free versus paid traffic and how to set expectations correctly when it comes to paid advertising. Paid advertising. So in this video review, we're having some expert trainers, Chris and Susan Beasley, that's going to really break it down. What's free traffic, free organic traffic versus paid traffic, and what's the difference is, and why should you either do one or the other or both or anything like that. Their results from this video are their individual results, and you shouldn't assume that yours will be the same. So when you watch these video reviews, when you go through this whole process, results are difficult or not typical. And so when you go through the process, it's not going to make it seem like, or don't make it seem like, that their results are going to match your results. So I want to be completely honest with you and completely transparent. It's their results there. They're showing you what's possible when you're taking action with all this information. So I can't stress that enough. When you're watching the review, just pay attention, get some tips from it. When you go through the process, go through these videos multiple times, because you may not understand it the first time. It may take 3 or 4 times to really understand this. This is a really good review video because this question gets brought up a lot. Should I do free organic traffic? Should I do paid traffic? So I'm going to go ahead and play a little bit of the review for you right now.
On the horizon.
Now, back in 2005, we decided to invest in property to create our pension and fund our retirement. We even went on a course to learn how to do it properly, as we knew there were a lot of pitfalls. But no course in the world can teach you how to avoid a major worldwide recession. Our pension was in danger of becoming a millstone round our necks. Our retirement fund was blown out of the water.
That's a little bit of their story. They're actually the whole entire, way of free versus paid traffic. I just played like a few minutes of that video for you can get kind of an idea exactly what type of video that you're going to be following. It's very impactful because I do think that both of these methods does work effectively, but there is a strategy behind it. There is a strategy behind the free organic traffic, and there is a strategy behind the paid traffic as well. So I want to let you know, watch this video multiple times to really understand it, because this can really help your business, because you're going to need traffic in some sort to grow your business, to start your business, or even create success. You need some type of traffic. So this video here is a very important video to watch multiple times. Now, when you get to this section here, just like all the other videos and all the other trainings inside the bootcamp, you want to fill out your name and your email address and what's your biggest takeaway for your advisor will get that information. And once again, when the advisor gets that information, he or she will walk you through the next steps, what you need to do. And what you need to go ahead and do is submit the information, and then you can go on to the next module, if that's what your advisor is instructing you to do. Now, Module 7 and Module 8 are very important modules, because remember, in yesterday's review, when we talk about Module 7, we're talking about simplify the success. Remember when Ace Guzman was talking about her story, she's talking about how she started and what she is right now. And then Module 8 here is talking about free versus paid traffic. So both of them are really, really good and impactful to watch multiple times, because they have expert trainers that's telling you and teaching you along the way. Now, watch both of these videos, Module 7, Module 8. Remember, we talked about Module 7 yesterday, and today we're talking about Module 8. Go through all the processing each and every single time. Well, my name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video today. Like, comment, subscribe to this channel to this channel if you want more edutainment information to grow your bank account, grow your channel, or even grow your business. All right, I'll talk to you later. Don't forget, watch all these videos multiple times, even this review video, watch it multiple times, but get inside here, get inside this bootcamp by clicking on the link below. Get signed up right now and get your, get started where you can start making the money. Get started with the education first. The money will come next. All right, I'll see you guys later on the next review video.